Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to care for the environment step by step. We begin with the fundamental 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing means buying less and minimizing waste. Reusing involves finding new purposes for old items, like turning a glass jar into a pen holder. Finally, recycling ensures materials such as plastic bottles and aluminum cans are processed into new products, diverting millions of tons from landfills annually. Next, let's focus on conserving vital resources, energy and water. Simple actions like unplugging chargers or turning off lights when you exit a room can significantly reduce electricity consumption. For water, consider taking showers that are 5 minutes or less, saving up to 10 gallons per minute compared to longer ones. Also, promptly fixing a dripping faucet can prevent the waste of thousands of gallons of water each year. Now, let's integrate sustainable habits into our daily lives. Opt for eco-friendly transportation methods like walking, cycling, or using public transit, which can reduce your carbon footprint by several hundred pounds annually. When grocery shopping, prioritize local and seasonal produce. This supports local economies and minimizes the energy used for long-distance shipping. Additionally, planting trees helps absorb carbon dioxide and provides vital habitats. Finally, caring for the environment extends to community engagement and advocacy. Join local cleanup initiatives, which often remove hundreds of pounds of litter from parks and waterways. Share your knowledge with others, inspiring them to adopt greener habits. Supporting environmental organizations, whether through volunteering or donations, amplifies efforts to protect our planet for future generations. Every small action contributes to a healthier world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.